What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you cannot hear, the crossing gate's going down, so got a southbound coming. Not sure who it is. Thought it was 26, but it's not. It's a southbound, so I don't know who it is. Surprised they didn't hold this southbound for 26, because 26 is already in Nashville and he's already getting the crew. He's at Berry Hill, so not sure who this is. We're gonna see who it is. And first, we got a few more trains we want to show, and I'll show this guy. So here comes this train. All right, so this is 513. That's the only other southbound I've heard besides 25. TPU just passed, and we're gonna go. I'm keeping track around, make sure the end is not coming, so I can get the end. But we're gonna go on a schedule here. We're gonna only post on Sundays, which is today, Monday, and Saturday, and we're gonna be filming out for the week. So yeah, get this in. 513, and y'all saw the rest of the trains that I got today. Yeah, let me get the end of 513. And there goes the end of 513 way down there on this gloomy and rainy Sunday afternoon. All right, so tomorrow's Memorial Day. 513 just blew for the tunnel, and that's like 2 miles away. So the horn's pretty loud. But tomorrow I'm gonna get up and go watch some trains. I'm gonna get up pretty early, and tomorrow's gonna be a longer day than it was today, because it's still raining. Not as bad as it was when 25 passed. It kind of died down since then. But I'm gonna go out tomorrow, try to catch that 382, because they should be likely running tomorrow. I don't know if Corman will be running tomorrow. I could be wrong. We'll see. But I'm pretty sure the 382 might be running tomorrow. So, gonna go get him. And I didn't get 382 tomorrow, last week because of change of plans. I got up there very late, and he was already gone by the time I got up there. And so was Corman. So, but all right, folks, just want to check in with y'all and let y'all see what's been going on just out here chasing trains again. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.